Hello students, today we will do a very interesting chapter that is Toasted English. It's very funny title of this chapter is Toasted English by R.K. Narayan. So let us see what the author tells us in this story, but before that I must tell you about the author. R.K. Narayan is known for his work set in the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. He is an Indian writer whose works highlight the social context and everyday life of his characters. His popular works include Swami and Friends, The Bachelor of Arts, and The English Teacher. He received many awards and honors, including Padma Vibhushan also. Now, move on to the theme of this chapter. R.K. Narayan feels that English should become the language of common people in India and it should have its own identity. Now, come to the summary of this chapter. R.K. Narayan is a famous writer in English who has published more than 10 novels and short stories. In Toasted English, he has depicted his ideas in a very beautiful way to make people understand the difference between American and British English. It is a half humorous and half serious essay about how the same language English differs from one country to another. The author says that, like Indians, Americans also dropped the British out of their country but adopted their language, that is English. The Americans used English in an easy way. They used certain words which are their keywords for their convenience. This process of modifying English is called toasting. For example, instead of trespassing prohibited, they say newly planted, don't walk on the notice board. The new words became very handy because they could be used for multiple meanings. Okay, yeah, yes are commonly used expressions. Narayan mentions that the example of the word check in a different way for Americans and British as they use it for checking tickets, verifying something, taking care of coat, umbrella, etc. He further discussed the bazaar status of English also. He says that in London it is used in a very polite way because the conductor will never say ticket ticket on a London bus, but simply go near the passenger and say thank you on receiving the fare. Even yes do not need sir or darling with it. The word okay is also a self-sufficient word which needs no suffix to show any special respect. R.K. Narayan feels that English should come out in the open street and become the language of the common man. Like Americans, Indians should also adapt it according to their needs and atmosphere. At the same time, he does not want the mongrelization of English. Mongrelization means mixture of different languages. Along with grammatical rules, India should develop a Bharat brand of English. The author wants that Indian English should have its own identity, that is, its Swadeshi stamp. It should be unique and distinct than the present English. I think this chapter is now clear to you all. What does the toasted English mean? The people are using it in a different way in different countries according to their convenience and the atmosphere, that is toasting of their language.